This is problem presentation number 2. This is for chapter 8.5, question number 5. The question is the integral of x, the square root of x over x minus 36 dx. So my first step was to make x the u equal x, the square root of x, and then the derivative of that is 1 over 2 square root of x dx. And then since I know that u equals square root of x, I made x equal u squared. So that got rid of the square root right there. So then I multiplied it to get over here. And then 2u du equals dx. So then I subbed out all the x's to make it u over u squared minus 36 times 2u du, because the dx equals 2u. And then I noticed when I multiplied it in to make it simpler, it was 2u squared over u squared minus 36 du, which was the same degree. So I had to do long division, which was u squared minus 36 divided by 2u squared plus 0u plus 0. Those are just placeholders. So to make u squared equal to 2u squared, multiplied all by 2. So this minus that is 0, that minus that is 0. And then 0 plus 72 equals to 72. So the remainder was 72. So 2 plus the remainder over the original denominator equals 2 plus 72 over u squared minus 36 du. And then you could turn that into 2u integral 72 over the simplified u squared minus 36, which is u minus 6 times u plus 6 du. And then I did partial fractions to help solve this. So I set this equal to a over the chopped off part, which was u minus 6, plus b over u plus 6. And then I multiplied everything by the original denominator, which canceled out this u minus 6 and that u plus 6 to make this 72 equals a u plus 6, which was the other from that, and then plus b times u minus 6, which was the other common denominator. So then I decided to make u equals 6, so that way I could cancel out the b and just get a, which 72 equals a 6 plus 6, which was a times 12, which 72 divided by 12, which is 6, so a equals 6, and then b, 6 minus 6 equals 0, so you can just ignore that. And then I chose to use negative 6 as u, so then it was 72 equals a 0, because negative 6 plus 6 equals 0, and then plus b negative 6 minus 6, which equals negative 12, so same thing as before. 72 divided by negative 12 is negative 6 equals b. And then if you plug back in your a and b, you would get, so this was the original, so equals 2u plus 6 over, because the 6 came from the a right here, so 6 over u minus 6 minus 6 over u plus 6, because that was the original here, well, out there, right here. And so then you come back over here, plug in, then you solve the integral. So 2u, you just pull that out, plus 6, you can pull that out, that 6 and that 6 out technically, because it can be just two integrals. So, and then the integral of u minus 6 is ln u minus 6 plus, minus 6 ln u plus 6, because there's a plus there, plus c. And then when you gotta plug this original u back in, so then it's 2 square root of x plus 6 ln the absolute value square root of x minus 6 minus 6 ln the absolute value square root of x plus 6 all plus c. And that's how you do this problem.